Ever pondered about the nature of prayer? Is it a simple conversation with the divine, a moment of introspection, or a ritual of faith? Today we're embarking on a journey to explore the essence of prayer, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. Prayer, at its core, is a deeply personal act of communication with a higher power. For many, it's a way to cultivate a stronger relationship with God, usher in peace, and deepen their faith. But how does one go about it? Is there a right or wrong way to pray? Step one is to find a quiet place. The setting for prayer doesn't need to be grand or elaborate. It could be a serene corner in your house, a peaceful spot in your garden, or even a quiet room at your workplace. The key is to find a place where you can focus, away from distractions. The second step is to prepare your heart. Prayer isn't just about the words you say, it's about the state of your heart. Take a moment to calm your thoughts, let go of your worries, and open your heart to God. The third step is the prayer itself. Start by addressing God in a way that resonates with you. Some prefer traditional terms like Lord or Father, while others may use more personal terms. Express gratitude, share your thoughts, express your concerns, and ask for guidance or help. The fourth step is listening. Prayer is a two-way communication. After you've spoken, take a moment to listen. You might not hear a physical voice, but be open to feelings, thoughts, or insights that come to you during this time. The final step is closing the prayer. This could be done by saying Amen, which means so be it, or you could close with a personal phrase that signifies the end of your prayer. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all method when it comes to prayer. It's about finding what works for you and building a practice that brings you closer to God. So to recap, prayer is a journey, a deeply personal act of communication with God. It involves finding a quiet place, preparing your heart, expressing your thoughts and feelings, listening, and closing the prayer. It's about building a stronger relationship with God, inviting peace into your life, and deepening your faith. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of prayer. Whether you're a seasoned prayer warrior or just starting out, remember that prayer is less about perfect words and more about sincere hearts. So begin your journey of prayer today and experience the transformation it brings.